here's a Barbie, here's some glasses, and here it is a little piggy and a little chocolate. All love chocolates. Really, the kids? Really nice. And this is how it looks back here, and this is how it looks here. So let's start. So I think you just have to open it here, let's take off the little piggy. Is strange, really, chocolate, because look, I don't know what it has a zipper on. Oh, it's a purse. It looks like a candy. I'm saying. This is a strange chocolate. Here. So now we're gonna take off this glasses right now. We need you, my little scissors.
Okay.
Then it will cut this glasses. Finally, I take them off. Now I know how to. Oh, look at this. That looks so cute. So I found out that here in the doll, it was having some clips. So we're gonna cut them, but be careful with the scissors. Don't cut yourself. A little stuff that is covering it up. I don't know why they. You are not gonna win, my little clips. Okay, careful. There. Mix fits a little bit her hair because she can be a little bit nicer. She can see her chocolate bag. Whew. Finally, with this unboxed all this things. So now I'm gonna show you this gummy bear, and it comes with this bag that looks like a chocolate. And then here are some glasses. And we got the piggy stuff, and some wings on the piggy, and then the pig and a little cloud. So this is how you open a stuffed Barbie. Bye. See you next time. So this how you okay. It's a this is how you this on box